Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the sums of exercise 7.2. Yes, in this exercise you can see the sums are relating to the units of length, meter, centimeter and kilometer. Whenever we have to measure very small length, then we are using centimeter. Then a little bit big length, that for we are using meters, and for the long distances we are using kilometers. Now here we are going to start. The first sum is there, fill in the blanks. First statement is 3 meter 25 centimeter. 3 meter 25 centimeter, and here we have to write the answer in centimeter. Here we have to write the answer in centimeter. So 3 meter 25 centimeter, we have to convert this into centimeter. See how we will convert. 3 meter 25 centimeter, it is having two parts, 3 meter and 25 centimeter. Yes, after that 3 meter is converted into centimeters. When meters to convert into centimeters, तो meters को हम 100 से multiply करते हैं, then we are multiplying meters with the 100. Now 3 meter multiplied by 100, we will get 300 centimeter. And this is already in centimeter. This will be added 25 centimeter. Then 325, these both will be added, then we will get 325 centimeter. Yes, now in the same way we will move to next sum, B part, but here we can see the units are kilometer and meter. The units are kilometer and meter. So here we need to multiply kilometers by 1000 to convert it into meters. Yes, now there are the two units, 4 kilometer and 75 meter. Yes, now 4 kilometer, and we have to write the answer in meter. Now 4 kilometer is to be converted into meters. 4 kilometer multiplied by 1000, then we will get 4000 meters. Yes, plus 75 meter. When we will add these both, we will get 4075 meters. Yes, now C part is there, 723 centimeter. 723 centimeter. We have to convert this into meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. Now 723 centimeter, we will write it 700 centimeter and 23 centimeter. Whenever there is a turn of the centimeter and meter, then what to do? Last two digits की जगह हमने 2 zeros लगा लेनी है. That's why we have written here 700. 700 centimeter and 23 centimeter. Now 700 centimeter means 7 meter. 700 centimeter means 7 meter, because 100 centimeter means 1 meter, 200 centimeter means 2 meter. In this way 700 centimeter means 7 meter and 23 centimeter. Here we will get 7 meter 23 centimeter. Now 6125 meter. 6125 meter, and answer we have to write in kilometer and meter. Kilometer and meters का आपस में जो relation है, that is of 1000. That is of 1000. Then the last 3 digits की place पे हम zeros लिखेंगे. So here we will write 6000 meter and 125 meter. Yes, now 6000 meter and 125 meter. 6000 meter means 6 kilometer, because 1000 meter means 1 kilometer, 2000 meter means 2 kilometer. In this way 6000 meter means it will be 6 kilometer and 125 meter. Here we will write 6 kilometer 125 meter. Yes. Now let's move to sum number 2. Here convert the following. 8 meter into centimeter. 8 meter into centimeter. Meter and centimeters, the relation is of 100. Meter and centimeter का जो relation है that is of 100. So see how we will convert. Sum number 2, that is conversion. A part is there, 8 meter into centimeter. Yes, when we have moved to meter into centimeter, then meters will be multiplied by 100. Meters will be multiplied by 100. 8 meter is there. Firstly, we will write 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now the question is 8 meter. So here 100 and 8 both will be multiplied. 100 multiplied by 8, we will get 800 centimeter. We will get 800 centimeter. Yes, now B part is there. In this B part, 3 meter 10 centimeter into centimeter. Now this statement we have to convert into centimeter. Firstly, there are the two parts, so we will write 3 meter plus 10 centimeter. Yes, now 3 meter will be converted into centimeter and this 10 centimeter is already in centimeter. So what we will do? We will convert 3 meter in rough work. Firstly, we will write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 3 meter is equal to 100 multiplied by 3. These both will be multiplied. We will get 300 centimeter. So here 3 meter के नीचे we will write 300 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. Now both will be added. When we will add, we will get 310 centimeter. Yes students, after that there is the C part. C part you people will do by yourself. It is same as it is the B part. Now let's move to D part. The D part statement is 4 kilometer into meter. Now we have to convert kilometer into meter. As already I told you, kilometer and meters का जो आपस का relation है that is of 1000. So here firstly we will write 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters. So the question is of 4 kilometer. So what we will do? 1000 multiplied by 4. 1000 multiplied by 4, we will get 4000 meter. So we will get 4000 meter. Yes, now next part is E part, that is 3 kilometer 100 meter into meter. Now this statement is given in two parts. Firstly, we will put the symbol of addition. Yes, now here you can see we have to convert into meters. 3 kilometer we will convert into meters and 100 meter is already in meters. So we will convert in rough work 3 kilometer. Firstly we will write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 3 kilometer is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3. So here we will get 3000 meter. So we will write here 3000 meter plus 100 meter. When we will add these both, 3100 meter. When 3100 will be added, we will get 3100 meter. Yes, after that F part you people have to do by yourself so that you can get the more practice of these sums. Yes students, I hope you have understood all these concepts. Do the practice in written form of these sums. These are very easy and interesting sums and soon you will be perfect in these sums. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.